Hey, David, I'm going to ship you the bell separately when I ship this. You just have to hang it from the two hooks, but there's a pin that goes in here. It's a loose pin. I'll show it to you right here. That goes right in that hole. Okay, now that's a loose pin, and that extends the plunger from the top. And I'm going to send you some extra ones because it's so small that they might get lost. So you'll have some extra. But you want to make sure when you hang this that you just drop the pin in the hole. And then you will thread the hole up onto the plunger and hook up the two hooks on the end. Now you may, when you put it in permanently, you may want to get a pair of needle nose pliers and just sort of close the hook a little bit on the frame when you have it in there permanently. But make sure that you put that plunger in there, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, I just wanted to point that out to you, and then we'll put this together. And when I do ship it to you, this will be off the bell also, just to make the package smaller and safer. It's very simple. There's a screw on the inside that you just screw it on. Don't over tighten it. There's a rubber washer on both sides of the glass to keep the glass from breaking. So pretty simple to put together, and I know you know how to do this stuff, so I'm not too worried about it. But I wanted to point that out to you because I didn't want to try to send you this whole thing assembled. The package would be pretty big just to take up the width of this, and it would get expensive in shipping also. So anyway, I'll get this together, and then we'll do a video and show it to you operating. Thank you. Okay. All right. When you install the bell, you want the hooks to the front. So you're going to put it on the pin like that. Now make sure when you put this in that the loose pin I told you about is in there. And I also included some extra ones. Make sure that's in. Then come under that, put it up on the pin, and take your hooks and just hook them into here. One, and this one will go here like that. Now when you install this permanently, you may want to get a pair of pliers and just close that hook there. But for now, just to show you how it works, until you can get it in and out. Okay, it's all set. That's all it is to it. And I'm going to hold that. And that's it. Got a nice ring to it. Okay, that's the Spirit Bell.